Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the error code 126 related to Onlinefix64.dll. So if you are seeing the error code 126 when you launch a game or software, this is how you can fix it step by step. But first, I'm going to tell you why this error happened. So it may be caused by missing or corrupted DLL files, outdated or missing DirectX or OpenGL drivers, faulty Visual C++ redistributable, antivirus mistakenly deleting DLL files on incorrect file paths or registry issues. So the first method that you can do is run the program as administrator. So what you need to do is just right click on the program's shortcut. For example, this is the app that I want to launch, and you can just tap on select run as administrator. Tap yes, and after that you can check if the error still appears. Second method, you can reinstall the program. So uninstall this software first and restart your PC. And after that, you can download the latest version from the official website and try again. The third, you can download and replace the Onlinefix64.dll. So go to a trusted.com, search for the Onlinefix64.dll and download it. And after that, you can just copy it to the program's installation folder, restart the PC, and check if the issue is fixed. And you can also try to update the graphic drivers or install the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. Or you can also try to disable the antivirus and firewall temporarily. You can just open the Windows Security, so Windows plus S, for Windows Security in here in the search. This one. And you can just select Manage Settings. Or just this one. And now you can just turn off the options real-time protections and try launching the software again. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.